Fix Facebook friends list not showing. Quick troubleshooting tips. Now, if your Facebook friends list isn't showing up, then there could be various reasons for this. Sometimes the Facebook app could be facing such issues itself. Normally, to find your friends list, you can simply go to this Friends tab and go to Your Friends, and you should be able to see a list of your friends on Facebook. Now, if not, start by checking your internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, you can try to switch to cellular data or vice versa and see if that helps you solve the problem. If not, the second thing you can do is, if you're using on Android, long press the Facebook app icon, then just tap on this I button to come to the app info page. From here, you can scroll to the storage tab, clear the cache files and clear the data of the application. Now, after you've done that, go to your Play Store or your App Store, search for the Facebook app and check if it has an update available, and if it does, then make sure to update it to the latest version. And hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon, as always, in the next video.